What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. And yeah, it's what, 8 o'clock? So 8 o'clock on a Tuesday. And yeah, friends and family's all done. So let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up at the Citadel outlet. I don't believe they have any sales because I did call today. But I think this will be perfect for doing some recon about what's going to happen this weekend or what's going to be available. Because yeah, during the week, the clearance section, nobody really buys much from the clearance section. So yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's see what's up. Dang, no sales. Crazy. No sales. All right, see if we can find some good stuff for Friday. Damn, there aren't that many spaces, but it's still dead. It's still dead, you guys. Holy crap. Got some Alpha Dunks for 90 bucks. Right next to that, we got some Air Force Max going for 50. Oh shit. Damn. During the weekend, that's definitely come up on the weekend. If we get 20 or 30% off. Shit, that'd go down to 40 or 35 bucks. Hell yeah. I guess someone asked for some of the stuff to be brought out, but yeah, they got some Jordan 3s. Jordan 3 red cement, size 10.5. They got some of the Greek Freaks. That was a Coming to America, just opened that one. Another Zoom Freak one. I think that's yeah, multicolor gold. That's Zoom. That's another one of those, you guys. So they got a few of these and the red cementer. Okay. Those are definitely pickups for the weekend if you guys want those, man. Those are all. Are those all 10.5? I didn't even see this one. 8.5, 8.5, 10.5, and 10. If you guys want to get those during this weekend, you guys. Now, let's look at these. The leather. Alright, the leather. It's up there with all the threes. It's pretty solid. The Nike Air symbol. Everybody loves that Nike Air symbol. Yeah, it's just too red for me, and I do love the Jordan 3s, and this is my size, but I don't think I'm gonna try to get these because it's just too red, But look dope. They do look dope. I do think the black laces would look better than the red and the white. But yeah, you guys can look at these too. Someone just left these, so I'll just take a look at these. This is a size 8. They have an 8 and a 10. Coming to America colorway of the Zoom Freaks. Apparently that's his favorite movie. So apparently the Greek Freak's favorite movie is oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the tongue. The tongue is like all fur and stuff like that. And then it's like a mesh on the outside, and underneath is that cheetah print. And the gold what's called the gold Nike swoosh does look really dope. But yeah, for the weekend, if you guys want to get these this weekend, this is, these should be on sale. Let's check the 10s, and we're gonna go down in size. We're gonna go down 135 for these. What the hell? 70. And this is the size 9.5 for the 720s. That's a crazy price. Got the size 10, the Joyrides. We've seen these go on sale big time, dude. And these are going for regular price. That's not even worth it even with the 30% off. That's crazy. Whoa, the Air Max 98s. These might be worth coming to get later. I wouldn't pay this much, but on the weekends, holy shit, that's a hell of a price on the weekend. If this gets like another 20 or 30% off. Damn, that's what's up. Even at 70 might be worth it. Charlotte Hornets colorway. What? Not bad. Got the Air Spans. If you went into the hype, but you like the classic sneakers, these are it, man. 70 bucks. 70 bucks. Definitely during the weekend with that extra percentage off. Totally worth it. I don't know why they wouldn't have a sale thing on these. These were down to like $59.99 here, if I remember. Sizes are all jumbled up. This is size 8. Got the Gore-Tex Air Force Ones. This does have that nylon material, but it does have that Gore-Tex on top, so it's supposed to be weather resistant. Going for $150, man. The Gore-Tex ones are always high in price. Size 8.5, man, that's crazy. Because I bought these for $60 here, $59.99, and it was in the clearance section just like this. That's crazy. Oh wait, maybe it's not even the right box. Maybe that's why. That's hilarious. What is this? It's the size 9. Size 9. I don't even know what the price of that is. That's the Nike Air Max 98 inside out. I'll check it next. This place closes in an hour, and it's still pretty packed. Pretty packed for closing in an hour, man. That's crazy. Got some Kyrie 6 Enlightenments, size 5.5. I don't know why that's in the size 8 section. Hey, but if you want these this weekend, come get them. They got these Air Force Maxes in all kinds of sizes. Right here, it's a 70. It was cheaper than that other one, right? I don't remember the exact price. More John Elliott's in size 8.5. Got another Alpha Dunk going for $130. All right. It's a purple colorway. It's way purple. Holy cow. See, when I tell you the sizes are jumbled up, they got size 4s right here. What the hell? How is that not a kid size? That's crazy. All right, I can't find anything. Like they got more air spans and stuff, but everything's jumbled around. So let's go to the bigger sizes. So the workers, I think, putting all the sneakers here. Look, there's another returned one of the red cements, 11.5. So yeah, Friday if you guys want to come through. Oh, it was 50. Okay, I was trying to remember what those were going for. But yeah, they have been plenty of sizes here too. Air Max 2 lights. We're in the size 11s and size 8.5 chilling right there, going for $70. The clots, 97 clots, still going for $110. All right, we're in the size 12s. I couldn't find it in the size 11s. Looks like they're extended sizing the hell out of everything. $50 for these air spans. I think these were what, 60 something on the last in the smaller section, right? These Nike free runs going for $35. Pretty lame though. But hey, but if they're your style, man, whatever. The Vomeros, this is size 10.5, going for $80. Still a solid price, especially if they go on sale. Oh man, hella comfortable. 55. This is the cheapest Metcon I've ever seen, but I've never seen a Metcon like this though. Is this a Metcon? Yeah, it does. Look, it's a Metcon Sport. Yeah, and it's a strap. I've never seen that. Wow. Yeah, and it's got that lateral. Definitely has some of that lateral support. So, oh, that's a better view. There you go. Yeah, so when you push off and stuff, dang, that's what's up. Size 11, cheapest we've ever seen, $55. I love it because the MSRP, it says suggested retail price on top 80, and then right here it says 100. It's always off. Still, this is 12.5. 12.5. Okay. $140. This is Air Force Premium. It's buck leather. Ooh, yeah. That's, if you like buck leather, man, this is the stuff right here. And the gold, I like that. Like gold or tan hits right there. Not bad, dude. $130, $140, $140. Get it on the weekend, man. Come here this Friday to get them. Oh, I was like, are these some Kyrie 5s? No, it's just some Zoom Rev, $60. Still in the size 12. Got the MTAAs, more than an athlete. But look at this. This actually has the 2 Sharpies that it normally comes with. Oh, it does have the extra laces, but it doesn't have the oh, these don't, oh my bad, this ain't the LeBrons have the shrouds. But yeah, I've never seen one with the Sharpies and the extra laces. That's dope. Yeah, grab one of these if you want it for retail. But wait till the weekend, get it for cheaper. Oh, 12.5, you guys. You know, these aren't easy to find. Got the bread, Kyrie 6 breads. Kyrie 6 breads, you guys. These are hella dope. But yeah, make sure you guys just try these on before, because these fit hella tight. You may or may not like them. Super tight. The Vomero size 13s. I think that's the cheapest we've seen these. They have 69, and if you come during the weekend and get that sale, that's the cheapest I've ever seen a Vomero. Oh, this is 11.5. The old school tailwinds, man. I kind of like the look of these old schools. It is nylon though, so kind of a cheap material. $90. Epic React size 13, going for $75. The Air Max Triax kind of looks like the tailwinds, going for $90. The Aquan 2s going for $60. Size 13. Yeah, oh, this is 11.5. I don't know why 11.5 are here, but yeah, ACG, so hella sturdy, you know that, or hella durable. The Up Tempo is a Chicago colorway, going for $130. So many sizes, 8.5 all the way to what, 13? By 13 I meant 14. Dang, the John Elliott's officially made it here, huh? The LeBron 10 John Elliott's going for retail. Nike Shock BB4s going for $120. Element 55s, more Element 55s. These are an SE version, so they're special somehow. More Element 55s. These going for retail though, man. What the hell? I don't know what's so special about these. These are SE versions. What? Is this a new colorway? I haven't seen one for 135 in a while. Damn. I think all the 720s are 135 now. What the hell? At this outlet, that's weird. I think these are 3 new colorways to this area, or to this outlet. 720s always going down in price. They'll go further and further. They got everywhere from size 7 all the way to size 14, dude. Plenty. 270 Reacts, Air Max Plus, plenty of sizes. Air Max 95s, 95 Essentials though. What the hell is the difference between the Essentials and the regular? I don't know. And the Tailwinds, like I've said, I like this colorway, but I don't like that price, man. $165, that's crazy. Is this like a mint colorway, like a turquoise colorway? I don't know, but yeah, 110 for those bad boys. Air Max 98s, and these are the inside out Air Maxes. I have one of these. Hopefully I can do a review sometime for these. Pretty cool, pretty dope. I got them for hella cheap. I'll show a couple of the Nike React Flyknit 2s. There's so many different colorways though. Yeah, another one, Epic React Flyknit 2s. More, they're all going for the same price pretty much. Except these, I talked too soon. 90 bucks for these, 90 for these. Metcon 5 for you gym rats or you people who love to lift weights and stuff. Super hella flat, so don't go walking around in these. Gonna hurt your feet. But yeah, 100 bucks, man. $40 off of these. I think, $30 off of these. These are 130 normally, 100 bucks. More Metcon 5s, 129 for these bad boys. Yeah, it's not written right there, but yeah, it's all over all the boxes. 79 for these, man. That's a hell of a deal. 79.97, not bad. 100 bucks for these. These finally came down in price. Nice. That's where these came from. Duh, they're right here, but still $120 though. Then got the Proto React Z's right here. Mars 270s. Mars 270. These are the PSG versions? What the hell? That's kind of cool. Colorway is kind of ugly, but I do love the PSG stuff. Not this one though. I like all the other Jordan PSG stuff. More 270s, and then yeah, those are down to 159. Better than the 170. Okay. The Jordan React. All right, a lot of people have been asking me to cover a lot more apparel. Yeah, the t-shirts here, they're all t-shirts on this rack. Oh shit, I happened to pick the one t-shirt. All of them are going for 12 bucks. All going for 12 bucks, which isn't the greatest deal, but hey, they're normally $20-25 shirts, so not bad. Not bad at all, you guys. 12 bucks, normally 25, more than 50% off. Yeah, don't get duped by this just because it says clearance, because yeah, they rarely ever are that cheap. Like $170. This is an authentic Ben Simmons jersey, but it's only what, $30 off? That's crazy. Oh, they do got this raincoat. Oh shit, look at this raincoat. Holy shit, people are paying $300 for a Nike raincoat? That's just retarded. Got a Greek Freak jersey going for $170, normally $200. This is definitely an authentic because you can see the numbers are sewed on. Super light. This is the dry fit light material. But yeah, I guess if you want 30 bucks off, but I need more of a discount. Is this Emmitt Smith? Oh no. Elliot? Oh, I don't know who the hell Elliot is. It's a whole 3 cents off, you guys. 3 cents off. That's the clearance stuff that I was talking about, man. They be getting you guys. They be getting us if we don't pay attention. See, this is what I'm talking about. 200 bucks, man. 200 bucks. Last time I came here, these were going for MSRP. Yep, still going for MSRP. But it is hella dope because it's that jersey material, and yeah, and it's pretty much one of their looks like an official warm up, dude. Looks like an official warm up, but yeah, $150, way too high, way too high. See what these Jordan shorts going for, $29.99, normally $40. Graphic tees always on sale, 22 for 30 bucks, always on sale though. Oh, got is this the fleece? Oh, the tech. Oh, my bad. The tech fleece, 100 bucks. Normally 140. This might have been worth it with a friends and family discount. But yeah, 100 bucks. Normally 140. Oh, my favorite. Not that colorway, but just my favorite in terms of shorts, man. I'm wearing this. If I'm not working, this is usually what I'm wearing. 40 bucks, man. That's hella high, dude. What about this one? What about this one? Yeah, going for 40 bucks. That's super high, you guys. Yeah, they're all going for 40 bucks. All right, yeah, let's wait till the weekend for those. 40 bucks for these fleece shorts as well. Dang. Fleece jackets going for $40. You know, everybody could use a gray fleece jacket like this, but 40 bucks still kind of steep, kind of steep. Let's wait for some sales to take place. 60 bucks for these. These are the ones at East LA. These were cheaper at East LA. I don't remember the price, but they were a hell of a lot cheaper. 60 bucks, and they had 30% off. It was 60 bucks plus 30% off, which would have made it like, which would have made $42. Hell of a lot cheaper than 60. I'm a huge fan of those shorts right there. I'll get it eventually, hopefully. Pretty much 50% off. These are the ACG pants right there. Hell is durable. I think there's like some hiking pants or something. Got air vents and stuff. Could be used for snowboarding too, because it look like it has air vents and stuff. Yeah, man. That's pretty dope. That's dope, you guys. Normally $250. That's crazy. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. It's almost 9 o'clock, so time to go. Time to go. Thank you so much for joining, you guys. That pretty much is the Nike outlet. I hope you guys don't see that as a waste of time, because the way I see it is hey, that's recon for Friday, and I'm gonna try to go there on Friday. I'm gonna see if I can get a couple sneakers or something. I don't know, but yeah, we're definitely gonna be there back on Friday when they do have a sale. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, help your boy out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on them notification bells, because I do drop a lot of videos, guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Get the heck out of here, man. Get the heck out of here. Damn, it's almost bedtime, but I need to go edit and do stuff. See you.